Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pachnanda Creations. Thanks to all of you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Today we will be making this very beautiful sunset painting. I am painting it on the old chopping board. I have first painted it with the white acrylic color and cover it with the masking tape. Let's start painting. So this beautiful sunset painting is now ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.